Hi everyone! We've recently updated the R7 tool, so I just wanted to walk through the tool and show you some of the new things that you can expect to see. The first thing is you'll notice on the home screen that we now have some new how-to videos. So there's an R7 overview and then two videos on the performance mapper. So if you ever get stuck in the performance mapper, feel free to use these videos now. I'll go ahead and get into the tool. So I'll expand the farm name, and you'll see when I click on a field, you'll now have an icon that says print. And what this will do is print off the first page of what would be your report for this field that you have selected. We'll go ahead and select it. So you'll see your carousel will load as usual, but this carousel is now called variability maps. And you'll see again at the top there's a print icon. If you click on a map and then click print, it will print the PDF page for whatever map you are working with on your main screen. So if you want to do a single page report, you can do that now instead of having the full report. Also, you'll notice that the refresh or update button is now located at the top, and it used to be located at the bottom of the page. One thing that's new is you'll see that there are multiple areas for carousels now. So we'll close out of our variability map and open up the View In-Season Map tab. So this is in Tennessee, so they have an in-season image right now, but you'll see that it's not been purchased. As the season continues, this carousel will load with images throughout the season. Once you purchase this image, you would be able to print the report as well. You can also click on this email button, and what this will do is send you an email alert anytime an in-season image is loaded into this field. So if you had a field you really wanted in-season imagery for, you could choose the field and add your email address, and it will send it to you directly so you don't have to keep checking back. The other thing is the update button is here, and when you toggle over the button, it will tell you if there are new maps available. So here it says there is one new map available. Finally, the last tab is the View Yield Insight Maps. And you won't have access to this one yet, but this is where your actual yield data will load into your carousel. So you'll have access to your yield maps, your in-season maps, and your archived imagery maps. You also notice in your info tab that down here where it says print report, you still have the option to print the entire report. So if you want every page, you can still do that. The last thing to note is in the RX Maps tab. You'll see now that when you make your prescription, if you want to export it to get the files, you would click export up in this top corner, where before it was down at the bottom. You also have the option to print your prescription page, and that will print the original map it was made off of and your prescription, and you can also save up here at the top. So that's pretty much all that's changed for now. There'll be some more updates coming within the next week or so keep posted.